guys, it's Jazmine and welcome back to my channel. I've been collecting Ipsy bags for almost like half a year now, and so I'm going to be doing a full face of Ipsy product. And if you don't know what Ipsy is, it is the subscription that you get every month that you get like makeup and some hair products and maybe some face stuff and like some cleansing stuff too for your face. And so yeah, I'm gonna hopefully get a full face out of this. I did get some foundation, but like I don't know if they're gonna match. I started this in December and now it's July, so it's a lot of products. I'm not gonna show like the cleansing products or hair stuff because I'm not gonna be doing that in this video because it's all makeup. So let's get started. Okay, starting in December, I got this like cute gold sparkly bag, and let's see what's in here. Mind you, I haven't used a lot of this stuff. I will like tell you what I've used, or like the brushes obviously I've used, because you'll see if I use them or not, because I've not cleaned my brushes. I have the nude eyeshadow, and this color is Bootylicious. Nice shimmery purple color, and I got this purple highlight brush. I got this brush by Farah, and it's just a nice little blending brush. And I got this lipstick from this looks like Lime Crime, but it is not. It's from Half Caked in the color Powder Trip. It's a darker red color. That's all the makeup I got in the December bag. I did get other stuff, but it was like face products, and so I'm not gonna show you guys. I'm just gonna focus on the makeup. Okay, now for January, I don't know where the bag went, so I'm just gonna show you the products. I have this gloss, which I've been using a lot. I love this gloss. The label is kind of faded and I don't really know what it says anymore. I don't know. It's this golden glossy gloss and it's my favorite gloss, honestly, and I'm really going to need another one of those soon. Then I got another purple shimmery color, a lot of those to choose from, by Ella Adin London, hopefully I'm saying that right. I got a Tarte foundation. This does look a little dark for me, so I don't know if we're going to be able to use this. We're going to swatch all of the face products on my skin, see in a little bit. Then also I got this eyeliner. This has been used a lot because this is the only eyeliner I have right now, and so this thing has come in handy. It's by Ico London, I think that's how you say it. Okay, this is February's bag, and okay, I see everyone raving about this product, and I never want to spend so much money on this product because I didn't know if it was going to work. And like everyone, when they put it on, it's white, so like I was like, is that gonna like blend in my skin tone? But this is the MAC Strobe Cream, and it is amazing. I love this stuff. Then I got this mascara. It's basically almost done, so it's the Lash Alert mascara by Ico as well. Then I got another brush by Luxie, the 243 Precision Blending brush, and you see it has been used. This one's March, I think. Yeah, I think we're on March. I got this Morphe bronzer, and this is actually the darkest bronzer I've ever seen, honestly. It's in the color Romance, and I think this might even be too dark for me. I haven't really used it a lot yet. Oh, and this is the only other makeup product in this box. The Julie Cosmetics liquid lipstick, and it's another dark mauve color. This is May, right? March? No, this is April. Okay, I'm getting ahead of myself. Okay, so this is the Moods Laura Sanchez eyeshadow. This is different. I didn't get a lot of shades like this, so love that. I got a cool fan brush. This is from Billion Dollar Brushes. Ooh, yes, I got a primer. I totally forgot about this. The Base Tape Tarte Hydrating Primer, so we're gonna be using that today. And then this lip stain, and I actually used this in my last show that I did, Planet Claire, so if you guys saw that, you saw me wearing this lipstick. This is my favorite bag that they've given me. Ooh, okay, so this one came with my new favorite mascara. As you can see, I love this mascara because it looks crazy and really dirty. This is the Benefit Bad Girl Bang Mascara. Okay, I got another foundation. Oh no, this is a concealer. Bye Bye Under Eye by It Cosmetics. But I'm positive that this is going to be way too dark for my under eye. So we might use this as foundation, or might even use it for contour because it looks really dark. And I got another purple eyeshadow, but this one's a loose eyeshadow by Naked Cosmetics. This is the June bag. Let's see what's in it. A highlighter. Okay. By Tetris. This is called Tetris Life. It's a nice gold highlighter that also could be used for eyeshadow. Then I got another lip gloss by Pixie. It's like the same mauve color of all the other lipsticks, but it's a gloss instead of a liquid lipstick. This is my favorite product that I've gotten so far from Ipsy because it's the Benefit eyebrow gel, and I've been wanting and looking for an eyebrow gel, but I always it's one of those things that I don't ever actually want to buy it, so I'm happy that I got it in this box. Since this is the July box and I have everything in here still, and I didn't have to search for it because I just got it, I am going to show you everything I got this month. So this is the Wet n Wild highlighting powder. I think this is gorgeous. This color is really pretty, and even just the printing on it is gorgeous. This is not a makeup product, but it's the Twisted Sista Curl Activator Cream. Then we have What's the Tea from the Balm eyeshadow. It's a dark blue eyeshadow. And then we have a mascara, which I looked at earlier and it looked kind of odd, but we'll try it out today. It's by La Butte Fatale. I don't know if I'm saying that right. Oh, never mind. This is actually not mascara. This is a brow tint and shaper. And then I got a Smashbox liquid lipstick. This one's it's a mauve, but it's a darker mauve this time. That's all I got from all the boxes, and we're going to see if we can make a full face of makeup with all of these boxes. Okay, we're going to start out with the Tarte Base Tape Hydrating Primer. Okay, it's really watery, and it smells like coconut, so it smells really good and fresh. It's kind of sticky, so that's good, and it doesn't feel that greasy, and it actually does feel like my makeup could actually stay on. So, unlike other primers that I've tried, which are just feel like I put a little grease on my face. So this is not bad, and I'm getting some shine and glowiness to it. Okay. You know what? I realized that I should have waited to put the primer on after I swatch the foundations, because these things are dark and they're probably not going to match my skin tone. I think I'm just going to swatch them on my hand. Yeah, my hand. Yeah, I'm going to swatch them on my hand first and see, because I don't want to ruin the primer that I already put on my face. The It Bye Bye Under Eye. Ooh. She thick. She thick. She real thick. Oh my gosh. Oh, that's like a paint. Now the Tarte foundation, and this is really moussey. Really, really moussey. But I don't think any of them are going to match me. I don't. So none of those worked. I might use one of them for contour later on. I'm going to get a different foundation that I already have. Okay, this is my favorite foundation of all time. It's the Benefit Hello Happy Foundation, so we're going to use this. I use the color 9. This foundation really sinks into the skin really easily, which that's why I love it, and it makes a nice healthy skin look, and especially paired with that primer. I'm going to use the ColourPop No Filter Concealer in Dark 40. This obviously did not come in the boxes, but this is just my own concealer, and just to bring some life into the face. I'm also going to put a little bit of this It Bye Bye concealer on for contour. Okay, now let's blend out this bronzer. Oh wow, that actually kind of blended out really fast. And that kind of surprised me considering how thick it was. And this added a little bit more coverage to the foundation since it is a concealer, so hey, that's pretty good. Okay, now I'm going to use the Morphe bronzer, and I'm kind of scared to use this because it's a lot. It's really dark. But I'm going to use this fan brush so it doesn't pick up a lot of product. Like, I'm literally just going like that, tapping it off, and let's see. Oh yeah, see, like if you can see that, like it's really pigmented, and we'll use a different brush to blend it in, but just to get in the right shape. Time for the MAC Stroke Cream. Like, it turns into this clear, really shimmery, glowy, wet skin type of product, and I just love it. For this side, I'm going to put the Wet n Wild highlighter. Oh, this is really pretty. My skin isn't the smoothest right now, so it does pick up that the texture, but it doesn't look bad. On the other side, I'm going to put this Tetris highlighter. Okay, yeah, this is, I don't know if I like this already. Yeah, it just looks like more clumpy on the face, if you can see. Okay, but I do like the pink one better just because it blends into my skin tone more and looks more of like a wet, dewy look. Did a little something something to the eyebrows. Now we can try out the, hello? Since, you know, there's like a lot of hype about the Benefit eyebrow gel, I'm going to use this other one, the Brow Fix Tint and Shaper by La Butte Fatale. Okay, I kind of like them. I kind of like it. Not bad. Let's see how long it lasts to keep my eyebrows in place. I brought some palettes to help us out because, you know, they didn't give us any matte colors, so we're gonna use the Sugar Face Candy palette. You know, it's busted and crusted, but it still works. And it was like $12, so I have a whole video on it if you want to check that out. But I'm going to first use Candy, which is this brown shade right here. We're just going to pop this color into the crease. I'm gonna use S'mores, this not red, just like a reddish brown type of color. Oh, I'm using one of the brushes from the boxes. Just gonna put this some on the outer corner and into the crease. Now we are going to first take this little guy right here, the loose pigment. I kind of want to put this like on the outer corner a little bit more because since it is really deep and dark. Okay, so if you blend this out a lot, the color will subdued, which I actually kind of like. Yeah, I really like the shade. Okay, now I'm going to take the La Bomb Bootylicious eyeshadow, and it's another purpley color. I'm going to take this on my finger and see what happens. Now I'm going to do the liner that I got in one of the boxes, and then I'm going to put on some lashes that I custom made. The bottom ones in this huge pack, sorry this is kind of gross and crusty, but like these ones are the ones I custom made. This one, it's not even on the lash thing, so you probably like can't look at that, but like this one, like it's so cute. The base of it is a Demi Wispy Lash by Ardell, but then I like added some individuals on it, and it looks like amazing, and it's really like flattering to my eye. So I'm gonna put those on and do some liner, and then I will be right back. Okay, now let's put some mascara. This is the Benefit mascara. I'm gonna take the Smashbox one from July's box, and I'm not gonna put this on my entire lip, just the inner part of it. And then I'm going to take this Pixie Gloss. It's like a deeper, darker mauve color, and put it on top. And so we're done with the makeup part. We're going to see how long all of this lasts. This is really close up, and I don't like to be that close up, but just to show you what we're looking like, really glowy and healthy looking skin. Let's see, it's definitely going to get more glowy as the day goes on. But yeah.
What's up?
Okay, look a little different now. I did my hair differently, and I am wearing a shirt. But here's what the makeup is looking like. Let's see the eyeshadow. Most of it held up. The golden highlight isn't as bright as it was earlier. The bronzer, you can still see it's there. Lipstick, obviously it is off because I've been eating a lot today. Yeah, this one's kind of gone. This highlight over here. But I did scratch my eye, so there is a little bit of the eyeshadow off, but that's because I actually scratched, like, I was like rubbing on accident. But like, this foundation is actually pretty still on, and it doesn't look oily at all. It still has that like healthy glow it had earlier, and so I'm kind of surprised about that. So the because usually this foundation kind of wears off a little bit when I don't put a primer on or anything, so this primer did its job. I think my skin looks great. It's been 6 hours since I finished filming, and so I'm just gonna end the video here. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I hope you enjoyed it. Don't forget to give this video a like and subscribe down below. See you guys next time. Bye!